Section 19 of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 2, August 1898. Recorded for LibriVox.org. Summary. Page 46, Section 4. Common Tern, Sterna hirundo. Other names: sea swallow, Wilson's tern, red shank, mackerel gull, and summer gull. Range: the greater part of the northern hemisphere and Africa. In North America chiefly confined to the eastern province, breeding variously throughout its range. Nest: above high water line on the beach and on the sides of the bluffs, made of grass and seaweeds. Eggs: 3, greenish to deep brown in color. Page 50, Section 6. Prairie wolf, Canis latrans. Other name: coyote. Found in the western part of North America. Page 54, Section 8. Fox squirrel, Sciurus cinereus. Other name: cat squirrel. A common North American species. Page 58, Section 9. Loon, Urinator imber. Range: northern part of northern hemisphere. In North America breeds from the northern tier of states northward. In winter south to the Gulf of Mexico and Lower California. Nest: at or near the edge of the water on marshy or boggy grounds. They are quite bulky and made of water grasses with a mixture of moss and mud. Eggs: 2, olive brown, more or less spotted and blotched with blackish brown. Page 67, Section 14. American red fox, Vulpes fulvus. Common in the United States. Page 71, Section 15. Least sandpiper, Tringa minutilla. Other name: peep. Range: the whole of the North and South America, breeding north of the United States. Nest: on the ground. Eggs: 3 or 4. Page 74, Section 17. Mountain sheep, Ovis montana. Other name: bighorn. Inhabitant of the mountains of western America. Its northern range extends as far as Alaska. End of Section 19. This recording is in the public domain. End of Birds and All Nature, Volume 4, Number 2.